you can actually be allergic to a particular product or the contents of a particular product. Some of us don't really know our bodies so well. Like there's some products you use and they can cause some sort of irritation, like talking about menstrual products. If you notice that any product you're using is uncomfortable for you, then you need to change the product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rita and this is Tea Spill with Rita, where I talk about health, lifestyle and Christianity. So if this is something you would like to keep up with, then click on that subscribe button and join the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in once again. Today's video is for my girlies. So if you're a girly, come closer, come closer. This video is about feminine tips that will help your life. There's really a whole lot to know about ourselves. So now I'm just gonna share some of these tips. This is definitely not all. So if you have any more, you can let me know in the comment section. Without wasting much time, let's just dive right into the video. So as ladies, you know that sometimes down there it can be really moist. Sometimes it could be because of the discharge that comes out from your vagina, or maybe it could be sweat, and it's always advisable to stay dry down there. So the first tip is to try to stay dry down there. If you're the kind of person that normally wears tight panties, it's not going to help you stay dry. If you feel it's uncomfortable, it feels like your private area cannot breathe, just get something a little bit of a, like, step up the size, get something a bit, you know, that fits you better, and preferably a cotton underwear. Also, another thing is you can use panty liners. Like, you know, during ovulation there's discharge, you can use panty liners, or maybe after your period and, you know, those little spots that come before your period finally ends, you can use panty liners. So panty liners, and it really helps, you know, but you need to know how to maintain them also. You don't use just one panty liner for the whole day. You have to change them frequently as well. And the fact that you're using panty liners does not mean you shouldn't also wipe yourself when you're done urinating, because sometimes when we go to the toilet we urinate and then you don't wipe because you're like, okay, there's something there already protecting. But no, you still need to use your tissues or your wipes and just clean up after urinating, and then you go along with your panty liners as it's there already, and they will make you feel comfortable and dry down there. Okay, just make sure that you're changing them frequently. We're going to the next point. I spoke about, you know, cleaning yourself up after using the toilet. Now, how we clean ourselves up is also very important. You know, some of us make the mistake of wiping from back to the front. Now, the way the female anatomy of the vagina, we have so many openings. Some of them you can see, some of them you cannot see, and the anus is not far from the vaginal opening, so it's very easy for you to just clean up, take some bacteria from there and take it to an area that is clean. So you need to always wipe from front to back. Now let's talk about menstrual hygiene, because that's the next point I'll talk about now, menstrual hygiene. So there are some products, some of us don't really know our bodies so well. Like there's some products you use and they can cause some sort of irritation, like talking about menstrual products. If you notice that any product you're using is causing some kind of irritation or is uncomfortable for you, then you need to change the product. You can actually be allergic to a particular product or the contents of a particular product. So know what kind of products are good for you and know what kind of products to avoid. And now talking about products, it's advisable not to use scented products. I know sometimes you might feel, okay, it's your period, you want to smell nice, you know, you get a product that smells nice because you feel, okay, it will make that area to smell nice. But to be honest, what is coming out of your body, it's not going to smell nice. Let's be honest. So what you can do to actually maybe smell nice while you are on your period is to make sure that you are cleaning yourself often, washing yourself down there, having the regular baths, changing your pads regularly. And it's not a matter of using a pad and then because it smells nice you can use it the whole day and feel like, oh, it will help to keep you clean. Oh, no, we have to understand that we need to change regularly. Now, it's advisable that you change your pads like 4 to 6 hourly, but if you know that you have heavy flow and you are stained, you don't need to wait for 4 because they say 46 hourly. You wait for 46 hourly. No, whenever you feel that you are stained, if it is before that time to change, have a shower, wash, make yourself feel fresh. Okay, that's how to stay clean during this period. And choose products that are also according to your flow. Now, like I said earlier about changing earlier if you get stained because of your flow and all that. So if you're the kind of person that has heavy flow, look for the products that are for heavy flow, because most of the time you can see them, they are stated on the products, and also the length. You even need the long or the short, just get, or if it is the tampons you use, or if it is the cups, whatever, just find the products that are okay for you and that will not cause any kind of irritations or you having to check every time if you're stained or not. Just get the right products. And also about changing your pads, you need to make sure that you're also practicing good hand hygiene, because sometimes our hands are not clean. You want to go and change your pads, you want to go and wash down there and your hands are dirty, so you have to make sure you wash your hands before and after changing yourself, just to make sure that you're maintaining good hygiene so that you don't spread bacteria or encourage bacterial growth. Another point where people don't take seriously is drinking water. Like, there's so many benefits of staying hydrated. There's so many benefits of drinking water. It helps you to stay hydrated first of all, and it helps to flush toxins out of your body. So always stay hydrated. So another point I would like to state, I would encourage abstinence if you are not married, because if you abstain from sex, basically you don't have to think about STIs. But if you choose not to abstain from sex, make sure that you are practicing safe sex by using condoms, practicing good hygiene before sex and after sex. Make sure that the hygiene is good of yourself, your partner. Make sure that you're not having different sexual partners, because you're just going to be taking one problem to another person will carry another problem to you. Another thing is to know your body, basically, because once all these issues start coming, if you know your body, you will know what is not normal and what is normal. So know your body, know your vagina, know the odor that is normal, the odor that is not normal. If you're having some kind of itching sensation, if you're having some kind of burning, don't just ignore it and say, oh fine, it's going away. Make sure that you hit the nail on the head, check on yourself and all of that. Any unusual discharge can be a sign of an infection coming up, so you need to see your doctor, see a healthcare provider, make sure that you run tests, and make sure you are taking good care of yourself. Another thing is to have regular checkups, as a lady. When you have regular checkups, it keeps your mind at ease. You don't need to be worrying, if something is wrong here or something is wrong there. So if you're regularly checking up on yourself, running tests, and I would like to also introduce pap smear. So if your ages of 21 and above, you need to start doing pap smear, because most of these things, they start, all these cancers that you see that people start saying, oh, they have this, it starts slowly, gradually. And if you do this pap smear, it helps to detect it on time so that you can be able to treat it early. So early detection is better. So just go for your regular routine screenings, just to make sure that you are safe and you are healthy. Also, I'm just going to drop this last thing before I go. I'm going to talk about the foods you eat as well. Try to eat healthy. Make sure you're eating your vegetables, taking your fruits. It's just basically to help your overall health. Some of these fruits, they contain probiotics, so they are good for you. So make sure you're taking your fruits and your veggies. They really help a lot. So that is basically most of the tips that I have for feminine hygiene. Ladies, we need to take specific, really good care of ourselves, our health, and it really matters a lot. If you have any more tips, just let me know in the comment section. We learn every day. And if you've watched this video, please like the video, please engage in the comments, like the video, and trust me, I'm going to reply your comments. Okay, I'm not one of those people that will snub comments. Just say something in the comment section and I'll definitely reply in the comments as well. If you stay to this point, that means you really love your health, and I hope you're able to get something from this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay healthy. Bye.